Welcome. Today, we'll walk through the 5 essential phases of a successful network design project, a roadmap that ensures your infrastructure is reliable, scalable, and secure. This is where everything starts. We engage stakeholders from across the business, IT teams, department heads, and end users, to understand exactly what the network needs to support. Is the goal to enable remote work, support cloud migration, improve application performance? We gather technical specifications like bandwidth requirements, latency thresholds, and device types. Just as importantly, we explore business drivers, compliance mandates, growth plans, and even budgeting constraints. The better the input, the stronger the output. Before you can build the future, you need a full picture of the present. In this phase, we audit the current infrastructure, identifying what hardware is in use, how traffic flows, and where the pain points lie. Tools like network monitoring software and configuration analyzers help us identify bottlenecks, single points of failure, or misconfigurations. We also assess existing security controls to spot any vulnerabilities. This sets the stage for informed design decisions. With requirements in hand and the current landscape mapped, we create the logical architecture. This is the high-level design that defines IP addressing schemes for organized and scalable device management, routing protocols such as OSPF or BGP for efficient data travel, VLAN segmentation for security and performance, firewall rules and access control policies to protect sensitive data, and redundancy and failover strategies to ensure uptime. The logical design is essentially the blueprint. It defines how the network will function without yet worrying about the physical hardware. Now, we bring the blueprint to life. The physical design translates the logical layout into real-world components. That includes selecting routers, switches, firewalls, and wireless access points, planning cable routes and rack space in data centers or wiring closets, choosing the right cabling standard, Cat6, fiber optic, etc., and defining the physical topology, star, mesh, or hybrid. Environmental factors like power, cooling, and physical security are also considered. A great logical plan can fail without the right physical implementation. With everything in place, it's time to deploy. We follow a structured rollout plan that includes device configuration, connection testing, load simulation to verify performance under stress, and documentation of the setup. But it doesn't stop there. Ongoing maintenance is critical. That means monitoring tools for uptime and traffic analysis, routine patching, and a clear escalation plan for support issues. Scalability plans are also built in from the start, allowing the network to grow with the organization. Each phase builds on the last to create a network that's not only functional, but strategic. By following this process, you reduce risk, optimize performance, and prepare your infrastructure for future demands. Thanks for watching, and if you're planning a network design project, now you know exactly where to begin.